Hi everyone, today we are going to do the Lego Mixer Series 6. So here I have the green one called the Gurggle, and then this one is called the Dribbal. Okay, see here, and this one is called the Slusho, I think.
Yes.
Slusho. Okay, so how about Jaden? Which one do you have?
I have. How to make this name?
This one is a Kramm.
I have the Kramm and Forx
Then what's the next one?
and Wuzzo.
Wuzzo. Right, how about the purple?
And the purple is Berp. Vakawaka. And
Snax.
Snax.
Alright.
Snax.
Okay. Which one do you like? Which of these three color groups that you like?
Two can or what?
Just your favorite. Which one is your favorite? You think?
This and this.
The yellow and the green, eh?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't like this purple one.
Why?
Because they eat stuff one.
Is it?
They all eat stuff one. See, this one eat cherry and cherry. Where this one did like ice cream, and this one like eat flower, eat flower.
Okay. So let's start to build it.
Nah.
Okay.
Do one by one first.
I'll be doing the Gurggle.
Gurggle.
Right.
Here's the. You put your hand like this lah, so if you later you will don't be tired your hand.
Okay. I'm gonna do the next one. I'm gonna do the dribble.
And I'm gonna do
Okay.
the
What's that?
Kramm.
Kramm.
Yeah.
Okay.
Later can I say now we are doing the Vakawaka.
Yep. So let's do the next one. I'm doing the Slusho,
I'm doing the Forx.
and Jaden will be doing the what? Forx.
Here you go. Now instruction. Bend it. Yes. The grey bananas. Then the grey bananas.
Oh.
Then for the eyebrows lah. Is it a wing topping or what?
No, it's like that. Alright, so we do the purple.
So I surrender him.
I'll do the purple, the Berp. Same color as your pajamas.
Hey!
And then which one you gonna do?
I'm gonna do this one.
What's the name?
Snack.
You're gonna do snacks, huh? Alright.
So I move this one a bit.
Okay, start mine first.
No, I start mine first.
Okay, here you go. Okay, the last one.
We are doing
We're doing the last one. What we call?
Vakawaka, the puncher face of eating buku. You start first.
Okay, I'll start.
This one we do
Okay,
together.
pass me the scissors. Pass me the scissors, please.
You open. Vakawaka. We're done.
Yes, we have done all the mixer.
You need to bend it first. If it's really bent, then like bend the other side.
Okay.
So make it straight. So. It stings like buffalo wings.
Yeah.
Buffalo wings. Papa, can I gonna find
I
something?
think that you will be bunny. Bunny is purple, right?
No, bunnies. White.
Bunny is purple.
Oh, bunny.
So thanks for watching, and
See more of our Lego building set videos.
So bye bye.
Bye. See you next week.
Next week, so fast.
Oh,
In the
maybe
next video.
in the next video.